Hi, I'm Sarah.
And I'm Leanna.
We are the designer and concept artist behind February's Paper Pumpkin Kit.
We are really excited to share this kit with you.
You may not know that every kit is specially designed from scratch with its own original artwork and design. Creating each kit is such a fun process, and we wanted to share some of that with you, while also giving you an exclusive look at what you can expect to see when you receive Paper Pumpkin in February. We've worked a little magic inside our Paper Pumpkin box to help us out.
You're going to be excited to see what is inside.
The first thing we did was build a mood board. Our mood boards help us build the concept as we gather inspiration for the design and pick the Stampin' Up! Colors we want to use. We chose Basic Black, Lemon Lime Twist, Mint Macaron, and Fresh Fig for this kit. I think you're gonna love how these colors go together.
After completing our mood board, we knew we wanted to design a kit with fun, earthy elements, so we started digging from the ground up. After all, nothing says earthy like potting soil.
We kept on digging, and as we got deeper into today's earthy trends, we realized that succulents would be perfect element for February's Paper Pumpkin Kit.
Next, we needed to stage our earthy elements in a bold and unique way that would also allow us to create interest and focus. So we potted our succulents in unexpected ways using a vintage teacup and letter planters.
Finally, we had to take these elements and figure out how to work them into stamps, ink, and paper. Since our inspiration was based on photographic design, we pulled all these elements together with the help of one of our Stampin' Up! Photographers. This allowed us to take our physical elements and turn them into paper crafting products you'll love.
Are you excited to see what grew out of these efforts?
You'll find out when you get February Paper Pumpkin Kit.
Follow us on social media throughout the month for more about the backstory surrounding this awesome kit. And remember,
if you haven't already, go to paperpumpkin.com to subscribe by February 10th.
See you in February!